This is not a new Happy New Year post. This is me pleading to the government to get a hold on JPS. You need to get a hold on JPS because I haven't been in Jamaica for one entire month. Nobody's at my house to use no light. I have the solar system, the battery system, and I also have the grid tie system that sells backlight to JPS. Before I left Jamaica, I paid $79,000 for light bill. And now I get a next $78,000. For what? For what? Who? No man, the government, you guys need to get a hold on JPS because this is bullshit. This is BS, and all them are gonna do, send people come to my yard, come check to see if something wrong, and then them leave nothing done wrong on my yard. And then there, me have to go pay the bill.
And that was Asafa Powell, one of the living legend from track and one of the best Jamaican sprinter in the male sprinting event. He is literally complaining about the Jamaican government not being able to serve probably light, electricity, and what needs to be done. And I feel like he's actually right for coming out on social media and voicing out his mind. There's nothing bad about that. Make sure to subscribe, and also I want to give a shout out to Blood YouTube channel because he is the one that inspired me to make this video. Literally, I saw him making this video and I was like, okay, let me make same video. Let me know what you think in the comment section.